All right. With regards to using the chain of custody and RFA forms, I forgot to give you guys instructions on a quick little setting you have to adjust in Excel. Some of you may already have it adjusted, some of you may not. Uh, and it's with regards to the VB project object model. So I'm going to show you how to adjust that setting here in a moment. And once you adjust that setting once, you're done and you're good for all time. So let's go ahead and show you how this is done. First, you're just going to open up a blank copy of Excel. Just a blank workbook here. Okay. So there's a blank workbook. You're going to go to File, Options. Okay. If you've never looked at this, take a little time and figure out some of your options. But for our purposes right now, we're going to go to the Trust Center. Okay. And you're going to go to Trust Center Settings. I'm going to give you a minute to catch up if you're not here. So we're going to go to Trust Center Settings. And you're going to go to Macro Settings. Okay. Now you can see most of you are not going to have this checkbox that says trust access to the VB project object model. Most of you aren't going to have that checked. It's going to be unchecked. Mine is checked. You need to check it. Okay, make sure that box is checked. The other thing, and I don't think this is nearly as big a deal, but just to be safe, I also want you to enable all macros. Now I see that it says it's not recommended, potentially dangerous code can run. I understand that. We're behind a firewall. We're in good shape. Nobody's going to be throwing, macros into our workbooks. So I'm going to tell you to go ahead and enable all macros. All right. If IT gives you a problem, tell them to talk to Chris Crawford. Okay. But you're good. So those things got to be checked. Once you do that, you will have access to the VB project object model, which you actually need for the RFA and I think for the COC too. So, but you only have to do that once. So, you can just do that in a blank workbook. You can close up Excel and you'll notice if, if I open it up again, you'll notice that those settings, stay the same. They're still what they used to be. Okay. So make sure you do that. If you have any questions, give me a call, send me an email. cgcrawford@catco.org. Thanks again. Bye.